Welcome back to Ella's Academy. So we are still on plane mensuration. We have treated triangle. We have treated what? Triangle. So after this parallelogram, I will now give you exercise on both triangle and parallelogram. So how do we calculate for the perimeter of parallelogram? To calculate for perimeter of parallelogram will now be perimeter. A, how many sides? A is 2 plus A plus B plus this place also will be also what? B. Because this is equal to this. That's why we have these two lines. This is equal to this and this is equal to this. From here we have A plus A, 2A plus beta plus B, 2B. So from here what is common? 2. We write 2. If I say 2 times A, will still give me 2A plus 2 times B will still give me 2B. So this is how we calculate for perimeter of parallelogram. So this example, we want to calculate for the perimeter. To calculate for this perimeter now, so we are using this formula. We are using what? This formula. We have 2, the bracket of A plus B. So that means 2. Our A is 8 centimeter plus B 12 centimeter. So from here, what we have is 8 plus 12, our perimeter. 8 plus 12 is what? 20 centimeter. Then 20 centimeter, 20 times 2 will give us 40 centimeter. That's how to calculate for the perimeter of parallelogram. So let us look into how to calculate for the area of parallelogram. The area. Now this is area of parallelogram. The area of a parallelogram can be got in two ways as a result of the dimensions given. So the dimension of the question given to us will determine. The first dimension is that when we don't have this, angle here. So how do we calculate for the area? To calculate for the area will now be base times height. No matter the value here, forget about this one. It's base times what? Times height. But if this is given to you, this angle is given to you, what we do is A times B times sin theta. So we neglect the height. Remember, in number 3 of triangle, then another way to calculate for area of triangle is that when you are given a particular side, so you use the two sides to get the sine of that side with the two sides, we use it to get the height. But if you look at this one, what we are using here is that we are using the base and the other angle, the two sides. We multiply them together times our sin theta. So let's take some example. Now look at these two examples. Calculate the area of each of the following figures. Now look at this. This we are given height and base here. So we are going to use this method. Area equals to base times height. So and our base is 21 centimeter. Then our height equals to 7 centimeter. Therefore, our area equals to 21 centimeter times 7 centimeter. So 21 centimeter times 7 centimeter will give us 147 centimeter squared. 147 centimeter squared. So 21 times 7 will give us, that is 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 2, 14. Centimeter times centimeter, centimeter squared. Centimeter squared. So let's look at the second one. The second one, solution. Solution. So what we have now will now be area equals to our A times B times sine 106. So our A now is our the other side 7 centimeter times B our base 18 centimeter times sine. So let's go and check our sine 106 in our four-figure table or calculator. Now by checking our four-figure table, our sine 106 will give us 0.9613. Now 7 times 18. 7 times 18 will give us 126. 7 times 18 will give us 126. 126 times 0.9613 will give us 121. 121.1 centimeter times centimeter. Centimeter squared. Centimeter squared. So no matter the question they give to you in parallelogram, you are going to use two methods. So the first one is this, and the second one is this. Depends on the question they give you. So when they give you question without this, something like this, you are going to use base times height. And when you are given a question like this, you are going to use A times B times the angle given to you. Thank you. So the next one we are going to look into now is trapezium. We are going to look into trapezium. Now, how do we calculate for area of trapezium? The area of trapezium is half the product of the sum of the parallel lines. Sum of parallel lines, the half of it times the perpendicular line, that times height. So how do we calculate for that? Our parallel line are this and this is our parallel line. This plus this, A plus B times our height, half of it is the way to calculate for area. But if peradventure they give us an angle, how do we calculate for the area? To calculate for the area will now be half the bracket of the addition of the parallel line times C. This plus this, half of it times C times sine theta. Times C times sine theta. So now we look into some examples for better understanding. We look into some examples. Now see the question from here. ABCD is a trapezium in which line AB is parallel to DC. Line AB, this line AB here. Line AB is parallel to what? DC. Our AB equals to what? 12 centimeter. AB equals 12 centimeter. Our BC equals to 9 centimeter. And our CD, what's our CD? Our CD equals to 6 centimeter. This is our DC equals to 6 centimeter. And angle ABC here is what? Is 46 degrees. Calculate the area of ABCD. So we are going to make use of this. So to calculate the area now, area equals to half, open brackets, A plus B times C sine theta. From here, our area equals to half. Our A now will be 12 plus 6 centimeter times C. What's our C? Our C now will be 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter, then sine 45. Sine 46, I mean. Okay, let me double it like this. Times 9 sine 46. Sine 46. So from here, what we have is 1/2 to bracket of 18 centimeter times 9 centimeter. So what is our times sine 46? So let us let me check my figure table. You can as well use your calculator. Just press sine 46. You have this figure. Now from here, 2 here 1, 2 in 18, 9. 9 times 9, 81. Centimeter times centimeter, centimeter squared, times 0.7193. So press your calculator. 81 times 71 times 0.7193. It gives us 58.3 centimeter. 58.3 centimeter squared. 0.3 centimeter squared. So let me explain it again. So this is the angle they gave us. They gave us this trapezium. Our DC is 6 centimeter and our AB is 12 centimeter. Now from here, now this is our C here. So from here, half of A plus B. Our A is 12 centimeter, our B is 6 centimeter, then our C is 9 centimeter from here. C here. So from here we have 12 plus this will give us 18 centimeter times 9 centimeter times sine 46, and 46 is 0.7193. So 2 here 1, 2 in 18, 9. 9 times 9 will give us 81 centimeter square times 0.7193. This time this will give us 58.3 centimeter squared. Now if you look at these kites, the kites, it looks as if we have two triangles. Now to calculate for the perimeter, perimeter will now be 2A plus 2B, which is 2 into bracket of A plus B. So what of area? Area of kites. So to calculate for area of kites, what we do is we calculate area of angle ABC times area of angle BCD. Area of angle BCD. So by so doing, now no plus, sorry, it's plus area of angle BCD, Now to do that, we now be half of BC, where BC is 1 times height 1 plus half of BC times H2. So from here we have half of this times what our BC? Our BC is y plus y. Our BC here like this, y plus y times H1 plus 1 over 2 the bracket of, let me just use bracket, or times, I'm using times from here, times BC, that's y plus y times H2. So from here now we have half of y plus y, that is 2y times H1 plus 1 over 2 times 2y, y plus y, 2y times H2. So from here now this can cancel this. 1 times y will still give us y to bracket of H1 plus this can cancel this, y into bracket of H2. So from this reading I can put y to bracket of H1 plus H2. H1 plus H2. So let me explain this again. Now we want to calculate for area of kites. And area of kite, we have two angles. We have angle ABC, angle ABC. This angle like this, ABC. And we have another one, angle BCD, angle BCD. We have angle BCD. That's the another one. Now, how do we do that? Is by addition of the two area. Addition of the what? Of the two area. Now the first area is half of BC. Half of what? BC. This is our BC. So half of it times H1. So our BC is like base. Our BC is like what? Base. Our BC here is like base. Times the height. Times height. Base. This is our base. This is base. This is height. This one is our height. This is our base. So addition of this times height. Addition of this times height. So we call this height 1 plus half of another base times height 2. Base is y plus y times height 2. So from here now we have y plus y, that is the whole base is y plus y. It's like we are saying 5 and 6 or 7, which is 12. Y plus y times height 1 plus y plus y times height 2. So y plus y will give us 2y times the height plus y plus y will give us 2y times the height. So if you look at this, half these two, can cancel these two, we have h. That is y h1 plus this can cancel, we have y, that is y h2. If you look at this, what is common between them is y. I put the y outside the bracket of h1 plus h2. So that is how to calculate for the area of kites. Now we want to calculate for the perimeter. So the perimeter now and the solution. Perimeter we have equals to 2 to bracket of a plus b. A plus b. That means 2 to bracket, our a is 7 centimeter plus b. Our b is 13 centimeter. That means 2 to bracket of 7 plus 13 will give us 20 centimeter. So 20 times 2 will give us 40 centimeter. So that's about the perimeter. So the second one is area. To calculate for the area will now be y into bracket of h1 plus h2. So here now, this is our y and y. This is our h1, h2. So our y now, our y will now be 5 plus 5, which is 10 centimeter. So our h1 equals to 4.8. Our h2 equals to 12 centimeter. So from here, from the formula, our area equals to our y, which is 10 centimeter, into bracket of 4.8 plus 12 centimeter. So from here we have 10 centimeter times 4.8 plus 12 will give us 16.8 centimeter. So 16.8 centimeter will give us 84 centimeter squared. 16 point this time will give us 84 centimeter per centimeter, centimeter squared. Centimeter squared. So you can see that this thing is very, very simple. This thing is very, very simple. So far so good. We have discussed some of those plane measuration. So the next thing I will do for you now is to give you exercise. So this is the exercise. Solve this question. We have a WhatsApp group that when you have any question, you can drop it there. We have a WhatsApp group. If you have any question concerning any exercise, drop it there to put you through. Our main aim is to train next mathematicians. Mathematics is very simple, yes, and you must know it. Thank you.